बिटिया की मुबारक हो, मुबारक हो, मुबारक हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे बिटिया।
Happy birthday, Ridu. On 15th September, you became world to me. Now you three are world to me. Love you so much. Thank you for this lovely little angel gift. And now I want to sing a song for you. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating. I'm waiting for you. My love encloses a plot of roses, and when shall be then our next meeting? 'Cause love, you know that time is fleeting, time is fleeting, time is fleeting. My heart is beating. God bless you. Love you all. Give my love, lots of hugs to three of you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Chachi. May God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे न्यू मम्मा। हैप्पी बर्थडे माय बेबी। आई लव यू बेटा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे रिद्धि।
Thank you, मम्मी दादू और दादी बनाने के लिए lovely gift दिया है। Thank you so much. Love you, my baby.
हेलो हेलो रिद्धू, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Riddhi. God bless you always. Have a great day and a year ahead.
Happy birthday to the new mommy. मैं छोटी सी मॉमी बन गई तुम। Happy birthday my baby. I love you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Riddhi Mommy. I love you. Happy birthday, Riddhi Mommy.
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे। बर्थडे है भाई, बर्थडे है, तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है। कैंडल्स बुझ गई, अब सब में केक बट्टे हैं। चिक्स सारी हॉट, यहाँ पे कैन सारे ठंडे हैं। गेस्ट के लिए पूरे साल आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है। सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, पास नहीं आई हैप्पी बर्थडे, थोड़ा लाउड बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Riddhi. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Riddhi. God bless you always. We are very happy that you have given birth to a little angel. Very cute child. God bless her. God bless the family. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रिद्धि। से हैप्पी से ब्लेस जॉय। बस
Hi Masi, happy birthday. I love you a lot, but I love the baby more. Well, we all miss you यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा, and I hope you have a great birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riddhu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Riddhi. Enjoy your day. We love you, Ziva.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riddhu. Happy birthday to you. Give my lots of love to my little angel. Masi loves you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू and lots of love for the baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riddhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Woody Didi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Woody Didi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And I'm so bad that I have to sing the song twice. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello Riddhi, wish you a very happy birthday, sweetheart, and many congratulations to the entire family for this bundle of joy. I really wish to see her. I really want to cuddle her, kiss her. Lot of love for the little one. The way you have made all of us proud. I'm sure this little girl is gonna bring a lot more joy and happiness to the family. Everyone is just desperate to meet you guys. Take care of yourself. Give our love to the little princess. Bye-bye.
Hi Masi, Barfi, and I just want to wish you very, very, very happy birthday. Oh God, so Barfi just doesn't love the attention, but a very, very, very happy birthday to you, Masi. I love you and I miss you so much. Congratulations on the baby. Woo. Even Guppy wants to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Masi.
Riddhi, first congratulations to the little brave, brilliant mother. Can't believe you are a mom now, but you have managed to so well. Wonderful. And wishing you a very happy and blessed birthday, to have a great year ahead. Life is tripled. Do very well. Lots of love and blessings to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bye bye.